The following instructions for electrical works must be carried out by a certified electrician. Start the installation by marking the wall mount location. Refer to the manual for the safety distances. Place the wall mount on the wall and secure it with the screws. Place the heater upside down on the ground and remove the screws from the electrical box. Insert the cable into the electrical box through the grommet. Crimping the power cable ends is mandatory. Connect the power cable to the terminal block according to the circuit diagram. Ensure that the wire order leading to the heater and the HUUM main module is the same. Blue one goes to N. Yellow and green one is the ground wire. Gray one goes to U. Brown goes to V. And the black one to W. Secure the cable using a retaining clip inside the electrical box. Ensure the openings on the cover panel face the back of the heater. Reinstall the cover panel with the drip tray holder. Mount the heater onto the wall mounting plate and secure it using the bolts on the sides. Position the retainer so it fits securely into the holes of the heater's metal slats. Position the spacers so they sit properly on the bolt heads. They may shift during transport. You find an Allen key with the heat diverter for installing it. Remove all protective films. Install the heat diverter to the heater with 2 bolts included as shown. Slide the drip tray into its holder. Connect the heater to the HUUM main module. Use the same wire order as on the heater side. Blue one goes to N. Black goes to W. Brown goes to V. Gray one goes to U. And the yellow and green one is the ground wire. Before filling the heater with stones, ensure all components are correctly installed and properly in place. Do not place stones beneath the heating element retainer. Use thinner stones between the heating elements. Do not force them in. They should fit easily. Fill the heater completely so that the heating elements are not visible. For further questions, please visit our website HUUM.eu or contact your local reseller.